In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on fixing transaction errors in Trust Wallet and resolving pending issues. Stick around till the end for detailed instructions. First solution, wait for a couple of hours. If your transaction is stuck due to a pending issue and you're not in a rush, consider waiting for a few hours. Server hiccups can cause delays, so give it some time. Even after 24 hours, if the issue persists, we have other solutions. Second solution, cancel the transaction. If waiting doesn't resolve the problem, cancel the transaction. After cancellation, wait for a few hours or up to a day or two. This gives the network some time to clear. Once the wait is over, you can try resending the transaction. Third solution, resend or recreate. To resend or recreate the transaction, follow these steps. Cancel the original transaction, wait for a few hours, and then recreate the transaction. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Verify that you're transferring the correct amount of assets. After recreating, resend the transaction. And there you have it. Those are the methods to fix transaction errors in Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How to Mastery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.